We're on site today in Cumming, Georgia. We have blew a hydraulic line on this Komatsu PC45. Called Lumpkin out on site. They were out here within an hour, got us back working. We really appreciate these guys. Been using them for a few years now. Couldn't ask for anything more. So thank you to Lumpkin.
What's going on? My name's Chris. We're here to look at this Komatsu Mini X. Looks like the customer's got a bunch of the panels taken loose for us, which is nice. It says it's leaking from this area right here where this clamp is. So first things first, we gotta get this clamp off, fire it up, see if we can identify which hose of these is leaking. You can see all the oil is coming from right here, so it's gotta be one of these. Yeah, let's see what we got. That top hose right there. We're just trying to get the cab lifted currently. So far, so good. Top hose, tracing it back, got the cab up. We can clearly see that it hooks up right there. Getting to this one's a little trickier. Well, 3/8 face seal hose. Let's knock this out. $41 1/4. See, it's got the spiral wrap. We're just gonna reuse that. It's in good shape. Confirm that it's -6 face seal. Do our cut length reduction, 39 1/4 inches. Double check our crimp spec for this, 775, jot it down so we don't forget. Got my die switched out, got my fittings laid out. Let's cut this hose. Make sure there's no debris. Blow out any excess. Start the crank. Make sure we watch our pressure gauge. Then we double check our crimp spec. That's it, on the money. Same thing on the other side. Again, we check our crimp, make sure we're good. On the money. Look at that. Reinstall our wrap. Get some fresh O-rings for the male side. Let's go throw this bad boy on. Fresh O-ring going in. Hand tight this side of the hose on. Help ensure that that O-ring does not go anywhere. Now I'm not gonna tighten this down all the way. I'm just snugging it up so the hose can still twist if it needs to. Swap out the O-ring on this side. Install our fresh O-ring in there. All right, we got it tight. Now let's get a wrench on there. Finish tightening up this side. Now we test for leaks, then we reassemble the clamp, reassemble the machine, and that's it, call her done. You wanna fire her up, boss? So, showed up, identified which hose was leaking, lifted the cab, removed the hose, identified the assembly of the hose, made a new one, reinstalled it, tested it. Now we're about to top it off and call it a day.